In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Python programming language on Windows 11 PC. So, I open my browser and type python.org and hit enter. This is the official website of Python programming language. From the download menu, I chose Python install manager. So when I click it will download Python install manager and I click on, so I minimize my browser and double click on it. This is the Python install manager. I click on install Python. So it will install it on Windows 11 PC and it will configuring. So it asks me update setting now. I type Y from keyboard and hit enter. And it asks me permission. I click on yes. It asks me another question that add command directory to your path now. I press Y from the keyboard and hit enter. And it also asks me that install CPI now. So I type Y from keyboard and hit enter. It will installing Python 3.14.3 and it will downloading. Now it will extracting files. Now it asks me view online help. I don't need it, so I press Shift N from the keyboard and hit enter. I press Shift from the keyboard and right click on desktop. It show me open PowerShell Windows here. And now I check Python version. I type Python dash dash version and hit enter. So it show me Python 3.14.3 version installed on Windows 11 PC. So that was my video. In this video, I will show you how to install Python programming language on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.